In this video, I'll show you how to make a two-sided copy on your Epson Workforce 2930. So the first step is to take your paper and place it facing down on the scanner with the top part of your page towards the right side. Then you need to align this corner of the paper with the corner that has an arrow on the scanner, just like that. Both needs to be touching. Close the lid. Press OK once you see copy on the screen. If you don't see copy, select the home button and you should see copy. Then go on the down side with the down arrow, select more, print settings, so press OK. Go down, and once you see two-sided on the display, and select one arrow two-sided. Select portrait or landscape, left edge or right edge, and now we can start. Press the OK button, and now select this button to start the copy. Click again on the button. It will scan the first side. Just let the printer do its thing. Okay, now open this. Take this page and place another page that will be printed on the other side of the printer. So same thing, align it and press again on this button. And here we go. Our copy has now been printed on both sides of the paper. Leave a comment down below if my video was helpful. Check my Amazon links to get ink, paper for this printer, and I'll see you in the next video.